Hi, and welcome to my gig here on Fiverr.com. If you are looking for help with your Facebook, Instagram, Google or TikTok ads, you've came to the right place. I have nearly a decade of experience within the digital marketing world, but rather than talking about myself, I would like my clients speak for me. Hear what some of them have to say.
Hi, this is Elena.
Hi everyone.
Hey there.
Hi.
Hi there.
Hi y'all.
Hello, my name is Trinita.
I'm just here to give a review about Panos.
Panos.
I wanted to say a special thank you for the success I have and continue to grow.
He has helped me optimize and set up my Facebook and Instagram ads. I completely recommend him.
He's even helped us with our creative strategies and really being a close part of our team. I highly recommend him.
Not only did he get it all set up, but he took the time out to explain to me what exactly he did and how I can continue on forward. I would recommend Panos a million times, and I can't wait to work with him again.
The strategies recommended by Panos and implemented by Panos, the sales skyrocket. So I really recommend Panos.
Massive thank you for all of your hard work.